Hello, Kem Cho. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Hi.
So, welcome to your house, the Hesperus house.
Thank you.
We wanted to get a few quick answers of a few things that we wanted to understand from the entire process. So, who would like to take first?
Anyone.
Okay, chalo. Anybody can answer. So, okay. So, the first question would be, when you first started planning this project, what kind of a vibe or a connection you were hoping from the design team?
મેઇન શું ક્યારે પણ આર્કિટેક્ટ કોઈ પણ જોઈએ તો ફેમિલી મેમ્બર્સ જેવું લાગવું જોઈએ. હવે શું છે બધી પ્રોસેસ બહુ પ્રોફેશનલ થઈ ગઈ છે કે એવરીવન આર્કિટેક્ટ કહેશે કે ભાઈ અમે 3 વખત ડિઝાઇન આપશું 4 વખત ડિઝાઇન આપશું. તો આઈ જસ્ટ વોન્ટેડ સમવન લાઈક ધેટ કે જે આપણે ગમે એટલી વાર કહીએ ને મને ચેન્જીસ કરવા હોય કારણ કે મારે છે ને ઘર લાઈફમાં એક જ વાર બનાવવાનું છે. 10 વર્ષ 15 વર્ષમાં એક વાર બનાવશે તો એને પછી પાછળથી એવું ન થવું જોઈએ કે મેં આ કર્યું હોત તો સારું હોત મેં આ કર્યું હોત તો સારું હોત. અને સર્ટન થિંગ્સ મેં શું થાય કે એ લોકોને એમ થાય કે આર્કિટેક્ટને કહી શકું કે કંઈ ના કહી શકું એના લીધે પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય. તો આઈ જસ્ટ વોન્ટેડ કે કોઈ ફેમિલિયર કે ઘરના ટાઈપનો હોય ને ફેમિલી મેમ્બર ટાઈપ હોય then that was
So basically, comfort of communication.
Trust.
Comfort of communication.
And trust.
Okay, super.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for that. We know finding a right architect can be a bit of a journey. Was there any moment when you thought that, we are the ones, like 4 Dimension is the one?
we are working with you for the Dombeli project.
Yes.
તો લાસ્ટ 10 વર્ષથી આપણી સાથે કોમ્યુનિકેશન અને એક પેલું હતું ને બેસિક
That helped.
તો હવે
Okay.
જોતું હતું કે ભાઈ એ કન્ટિન્યુ આપણે કેવી રીતે કરી શકીએ. તો યુ આર માય ડિઝાઇનર ફોર ધ રેસિડેન્શિયલ પ્રોજેક્ટ. આઈ
Yes.
જસ્ટ વોન્ટેડ કે ભાઈ તું જ મારો હાઉસ બનાવે તો હાઉ યુ ડીડ ધ
Okay. Okay. Cool. So Dombivli was the good icebreaker for us. Okay. Vinky.
Looking back, what was your favorite part about working together on this project? Any fun or unexpected moments?
I traveled to Milan.
Yay!
Okay.
Yes.
So that was very a different experience. We've made houses, we made offices, but never we've traveled abroad to source something. So this is something new which
You
we
explored.
explored
Together.
together.
I would say, even though Rakesh Bhai mentioned that we have been working with each other for almost 10-15 years, whatever, we know each other, but we've been working since 10 years. But I think the trip to Milan added that extra bond because we could spend
Yes.
more quality time together and we could understand our thought processes were aligned even better during
Yeah.
that trip. I think.
And
Yes.
the impromptu Portugal
Portugal
trip
trip.
as well.
Boca do Lobo, how can you forget
Yes.
that? Okay. So every project has this little moments of magic. Was there a moment where you felt that yes, it was an unexpected reaction that came from here? This was something that I had not even expected.
માસ્ટર બેડ
Master bedroom.
For me, it was living room.
For
The living
So-
room. The window facade.
Arches.
The arches and the window facade.
We could not think anything. It was just the landscape we were thinking. It was just this thing. I was too reluctant to get it done because I thought somewhere it will obstruct sunlight or
The view.
something. View, the light and all. But then no, it came out, it turned out amazing. And one, like star kind of a thing.
Okay.
Yes.
So even we are very happy with exactly the two things
The
because
two
yes, the bedroom, the master bedroom is to its kind. It's very specific to this room and this personality of yours. So yes, and the archway, it kind of binds the entire living room into one piece. So even though it is a
So even in the
Yeah.
video shoot when we were doing it, that is the focal point for the living room. Like it has 2 small walls and the longest wall was the window. Which what would we else do otherwise than having the curtains. So that was the first design factor when we were designing living room that we have to do something about this longest wall. And eventually it became the backdrop for the entire living room.
Entire living.
So during the process, I mean, we've already spoken about the project, how we got into the project and how the entire process was. What would you think about the team, especially Irfan and Rahul?
Irfan and Rahul, yes, they worked diligently. I mean, I have disturbed Rahul even in the midnight, sometimes at 12, saying sorry.
During
Rahul,
his wedding time.
during his wedding time. And even when he was there for the vacation thing, when the entire 4D was shut, so after the whole message and everything, as at the end, he's telling me, मैम लेकिन आप मुझे कॉल करना मैं आपको रिप्लाई दे दूँगा. It was so sweet.
Yeah.
And of course Irfan, मतलब Irfan was one person, like anything on the site we should just give him a call and मैम मैं नीचे हूँ मैं आता हूँ. Superb. They are like track a parallel, taking your engine forward.
Yes.
Like you
Yeah.
said in the beginning, they are the two wheels
Yes.
of the four
Four dimensions,
dimensions.
yes.
Sometimes people say this space feels so me. Do you have that moment when you saw the final design?
Output.
You will say? Thank you. The best part is, what? We all are different personalities over here. Me, my daughter and my son. I'm more of a luxury, everywhere a tinge of gold. My son is a complete wabi-sabi guy. And my daughter is, a modern and contemporary type. And all three binding together so well that the way it has come out as one space and everyone feels, no, they all are getting that liberty of enjoying their own world in this one
One house.
That was, the best part of the entire thing.
Okay. If someone will ask for a reference about us, what would be the first thing that you will tell them about us?
Vision, design, vision. I would say that.
Cooperation. Whatever your changes you wanted to change, they will not ask for anything.
And one more thing, trust. There was this, this marble which you were going to source. It was very expensive.
Yes.
You came up and said, no need to spend so much on this.
Yes.
You better save here. We will need this thing at a later stage.
Yes.
And you got those alternate options for us.
Yes.
So there are these 2-3 things which were really, very crucial to build that trust and this thing. Feeling it felt that owner is making his house the way you were involved. So
Right. So this one I'll ask. Mir and Rinki both have a very distinct way of working. The team already experiences it. What do you think about us? Like, what do you think about Rinki and what do you think about me? In this project, what was the difference that you felt?
I feel both of y'all are very good at your own individual spaces, and y'all combined together as a team. Y'all combined really well. See, we always need opposite or different personalities, so that there is somebody to challenge the opposite person's decisions. In the entire process, I've seen number of instances where Rinki challenges you, you challenge Rinki.
She wins always. Rakesh bhai will agree.
No, but the thing is, so we were the winners.
Yes.
Because the
Eventually
best
house was the
came,
winner, yes.
Eventually,
The best came.
the
Yeah.
room has to.
The best came out of both of you.
Absolutely.
So you all have that you all are different personalities or this thing, but you all gelled very well.
Did the final outcome reflect or exceed what you had envisioned for your space? And whatever you feel you can add
Add
to
up
it.
after that.
See, I was very passionate about this
Yes.
house. So I was involved in each and everything right from beginning. What I like best about Mihir, I'll say, is whenever I called for some change or whenever he used to always listen to me patiently, even if I'm worked out or anything. One thing is that. Second thing, in this house now, in this design, there is, when you see the living room, it's a combination. There will be houses will be either cool or warm tones. But our living room is a combination of cool and warm, which is done very well. That is something which is, unusual part of our project. There is a combination where there is bluer with the champagne and how
Yeah.
it blends really well.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes.
And this was decided and done way before, like 1.5 years before when the layout was done. what 3D was shown to us, exactly the bedrooms are like this. I had just given sun, gold, and lotus. This is what I wanted to work, and how beautifully it's created. And in spite of it, it makes me feel like home for every individual person.
What did you feel in the entire process?
I like everything. Especially Dera sir also came out.
Oh yes, yes,
Everybody
yes.
said, and किसको भी बोलता है ना वो बोलता है कि हाउस नहीं महल बनाया तो हम इवन आई फील कि मस्ती मस्ती में बहुत खर्चा हो गया लास्ट
But at the end of the day, you're enjoying it and we are enjoying it. So we are
Yeah.
absolutely very
Yeah.
happy with the entire output. So would you like to say something?
No, so when your notes of sun and the gold and the classical little minimalism that we have used, so we have named the house Hesperus House, so which is an evening star. So it's a classical name and it means that the house has beautiful sunset views.
Yeah.
So that is how we have named the house also Hesperus House for the whole thing.
Yes.
So one
And
more
it
thing.
gives that vibe.
That vibe,
Yes.
absolutely.
Yes.
Evening 5 p.m.
So
sun.
all those mirrors everywhere
Yeah.
has really worked out
Emphasized
well,
on
and
the-
it has come out beautiful.
So I would like to say something about you guys. So yes, we've known each other for almost I think 15-16 years through someone. We got the opportunity to work with you guys on Dombivli project first, and now obviously the house. I remember that evening when I had come to sit and discuss with you, and you were discussing the possibilities. How much would you guys be involved? What all work would you do? How many options will you give? And stuff like that. That day only I had understood that it is going to be an amazing ride. The journey is going to be very, very interesting because whatever I had heard about you, I mean, we knew from outside, but when we started interacting, when we started working, we understood that you two are like real souls, like real, true to your heart. There are so many things that I keep learning from both of you.
Yes.
I mean, small things. I mean, if I start talking, the list is going to be endless. You know how many conversations we've had about our personal lives, our family, kids, work, money, management, car, everything. So we are eternally grateful that you guys trusted us, gave us the project.
Yeah, that we are part of this journey.
We are part of
We
the
are
journey.
Really,
It's been amazing. Yes, we've known each other since so long, but this has really made things very, very solid for us. And we know that we have relationship for life.
Yes.
So thank you very much for the entire thing.
Thank
and
you so
looking
much.
forward to keep working with you guys forever.
Sure. Always. Even
Right.
we look forward, and you are very lucky. You have a very good team,
Yes.
and will definitely succeed in life.
Thank you, Malcolm. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So it's the same thing when you said that trust factor. We have that same in our office also.
Yeah.
So like if he is there on the side, we trust that whatever decision he's going to take is right. We don't counter question each other.
Each other.
Like when we are designing, someone
She
might not,
takes the-
so they will not counter question कि ये क्यों है. Otherwise, obviously, we will fight it out.
And she wins.
but we also have trust. If Rahul is there, Irfan is there, I have no doubts. Even if I don't see it come to the off-site, we trust each other
They
for that process. They manage it so well.
So thank you very much once again for
Yes,
this.
it was a
And-
lovely journey.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Making it out.
Yes.